Hi, good day, M6364. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. I'm Ronaldine Bonita, 36 years old. I'm a single mom. I have five kids, ages 18, 16, 13, 11, and 8.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I work as a kadama in Kuwait for almost 1 year and 2 months.
How many members of the family do you serve?
12, 12 in the family.
Okay, ages.
The adults ages 45 and 35, and then the kids ages 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 13.
Okay, other household chores that you do?
Cleaning the house, prepare their food, and then taking care of the kids.
Okay, and you have also experience in Saudi, right?
Yes, I
Okay,
work as a shagala in Saudi Arabia.
for how many years?
2 years.
Okay, how many members of the family?
Only five members of the family.
Ages?
Ages 75 and 65, and then including the parents of the 5-year-old baby is 45 and 35.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
Cleaning the house where they prepare their food and taking care of the kid. And also taking care of the eldest, the grandmother.
Okay, so you have an experience. You don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby in other country.
Yes, sir.
But my question is it okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Because
have
I have my own experience as a mother, so I know how to taking care of a newborn
newborn
baby.
baby? So you know how to prepare a milk, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the temperature and then check the tummy if it's okay. The diaper, I'll check it if there's a problem.
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I need to call their parents to tell them what happened to the baby.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is offer the highest salary, and I think it's the safest place.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long as my employer want me to stay with them.
So it is okay to you to be extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Uh, Watching YouTube and to my employer. Also.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. You could ask your employer
Yes, sir.
if they could teach you how to prepare Chinese food or help them if they have a time to prepare food for themselves, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share a job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir. If they want me, no problem.
How about taking care of pets?
It's okay, sir. I love
For
pets.
sure, it is okay to you to taking care of elderly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I promise that I was a hardworking and trustworthy person. Thank you in advance, and God bless.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Ronaldine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.